start with big developments in the shooting death of an IRS special agent in Phoenix.
A fellow IRS agent has now been indicted in that shooting that happened back in August during a training exercise at a gun range. ABC15's Ashley Holden has covered this investigation from the beginning and has more for us tonight.
After months of investigating the shooting death of IRS Special Agent Patrick Bauer, Friday, an indictment released which accuses another IRS special agent of involuntary manslaughter.
Our special agents, who are classified as criminal investigators by the federal government, are the only personnel who are authorized to carry firearms and conduct investigations.
These new court documents say a group of 16 special agents were training at the Federal Correctional Institution Phoenix near Anthem in mid-August. According to the indictment, after training was complete, Special Agent Larry Brown Jr., who was leading a defensive tactics session that day, went inside this building known as the Tower. Those documents say Brown and Bauer were the only two agents inside. Then others saw Brown run out, allegedly yelling, "I shot Pat." Both special agents taken to nearby hospitals. Bauer didn't survive. The indictment says Brown was treated for shock and repeatedly said, "I'm a use of force instructor. I should know better."
It's been a whirlwind, to be honest. We're experiencing the shock of all this.
Back in August, ABC15 speaking with members of the Arizona Air National Guard who served with Bauer, learning he served there for more than 2 decades, retiring as a master sergeant.
I'll remember him as the quiet leader.
Friday, some of his friends describing him as a man who never stopped serving, still emotional over this loss.
A devoted father, a devoted serviceman, a devoted law enforcement member. He put everybody before himself, especially his family.
It's still unclear based on the indictment exactly how Special Agent Bauer was shot, but it alleges Brown was handling his gun recklessly at the time. ABC15 was previously told there are only about 2,100 special agents like Bauer and Brown across the country.
An incredibly close-knit group, yes, like a family.
The indictment says Brown served for over a decade with IRS criminal investigations. The agency sending this statement to ABC15, which says in part, this has been an extremely difficult time. We remember every person impacted by this tragic event. Ashley Holden, ABC15, Arizona.